My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Dures.live. Dures.live is truly a very deceptive website that may suddenly start attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. The website Dures.live actually claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application, but in reality it is not associated with that program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you ever see these pop-ups on your computer, be very careful, don't interact with them, and don't ever install anything that they suggest. I would recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and start carefully researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.